Toolhead Cable Replacement Guide for the A2L. Always power off and disconnect power before maintenance. Remove the X-axis motor cover front panel. Remove the two screws securing the toolhead cable. Dislodge the cable from the top opening and use a screwdriver to press down on the locking tab and disconnect the connector. Fully remove the cable from the X-axis motor housing. Remove the 4 screws securing the toolhead cable to the toolhead. Remove the toolhead cable fully. Route the new toolhead cable into the X-axis motor housing. Plug in the connector. Seat the rubber seal into the opening at the top of the X-axis motor housing. Secure the cable with its clamp and 2 screws. Plug the cable into the toolhead and secure its 4 screws. Replace the X-axis motor cover front panel. Press the camera locking tab with a screwdriver. Remove the camera assembly and disconnect its cable. Follow the earlier steps to remove the toolhead cable from the top of the X-axis motor housing. Remove the 4 screws securing the X-axis motor cover, and then pull the cover forward to remove it. Remove the 2 screws securing the toolhead cable to the X-axis motor cover. Then, unplug the cable. Pull the rear panel of the X-axis motor cover backward to remove it. Take note of the 3 screws underneath which secure the adapter board. Unplug the X motor connector. Then remove the 3 screws. Remove the adapter board. Clear away the glue securing the camera and hall sensor connectors, and remove the connectors. Connect the camera and hall sensor cables. Reinstall the adapter board in its original position and secure it with 3 screws. Then, plug in the X-axis motor cable. Install the rear panel of the X-axis motor cover as shown. Plug the toolhead cable into the rear of the X-axis motor cover with the notch facing up. Secure the cable with its 2 screws. Reinstall the X-axis motor cover as shown, taking care not to pinch any cables. Secure it with 4 screws. Follow the earlier steps to replace the toolhead cable at the top of the X-axis motor housing. Connect the camera connector, then push the camera assembly into position and replace the X-axis motor front cover. Remove the 2 screws securing the toolhead cable to the X-axis motor cover. Then, unplug the cable. Open the Z-axis motor cover and disconnect the Z-axis motor. With the bed fully in the forward position, pull up the Y-axis cover at the back of the printer and pull it backwards to remove it. Remove the 10 highlighted screws which secure the base to the frame. Raise the Z-axis to the top of the frame. Lift and remove the base from the frame. Lay the base flat upside down with the printer's screen safely hanging off the edge of a table. Remove the 10 green highlighted screws and the 2 red highlighted screws. Remove the Y-axis tensioner cover and use its opening to remove the front bottom cover. Remove the 2 screws securing the toolhead cable in the base and disconnect the cable. Remove the 2 screws securing the cable where it exits the base and pull the cable out through the opening. Route the toolhead cable through the interior of the base. Connect the cable with tab facing upward and secure it with 2 screws. Align the cable locking tab at the opening in the base and secure it with 2 screws. Press the front bottom cover firmly into place as shown. Then, reinstall the Y-axis tensioner cover. Secure it with the 10 green highlighted screws and 2 red highlighted screws. Install the base to the frame as shown. And secure the base to the frame with the 10 screws shown. Replace the Y-axis cover by sliding it in from the back, aligning it at the front of the printer, then pressing downwards as shown. Connect the Z-axis motor and replace the Z-axis cover. Plug the toolhead cable into the X-axis motor cover and secure it with 2 screws. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.